come to an area called Woodstock, and there's a little market here called the Old Biscuit Mill. I think it was an old biscuit mill which they converted to a to a market.
Maybe we can buy carpets, yeah.
And yeah, so we're gonna go and check that out. It's a Saturday, so it's probably gonna be busy. Judging by the
in 200 meters,
seems that
turn left.
quite busy. So let's check it out. So windy. Oh God. Super windy, and the cold doesn't help. It just makes it so much cooler. It's actually quite manageable without the wind, but this wind is pumping.
So this is where the food stalls are. We want to look if we can find something nice for lunch.
It's really busy.
Really busy. They've also got, you can hear in the background, got a DJ playing outside the music. Yeah, there's quite a lot of variety here. So keen to see what there is.
This is super cute. It's super busy. Well, the food side was really busy. This side seems to be a bit better. The wind is just unforgiving though. It's really...
lots of like artsy stuff, African things. I know tourists like that type of thing.
There's lots of restaurants as well, and bars and like craft beer thingies. It's really cool.
And it's free entrance. So
Yeah,
free entrance, so you can just come and have a look around.
Yeah, it's just a really nice space if you want to be outside, but also get a bit to eat and do some shopping. It's more arts and craft stuff and boutique-y kind of souvenirs and clothing as well. But it's really cool overall.
That is a very crispy falafel bowl. So I got some falafel and like a healthy salad.
So we've got a story for you guys.
So this cookie that I'm eating is a normal cookie, but we went to a stall that had all kinds of desserts and sweet treats. So when I asked how much this cookie was, the lady said, you know, that's a normal cookie. I'm like, what does that mean? It looks like a normal cookie. She's like, no, the other ones are infused, if you know what I'm talking about. So we almost had an experience that we weren't planning to have. So
they had cakes and brownies.
there was no inclination of that it was
Weed.
weed.
It was
or,
just called Candy's Kitchen. So you're like, cool, there's some
Candy, you
cake.
almost got me, girl.
Yeah, that would have been bad. That would have made for a good video content though.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this is the normal cookie. Well, we'll find out later. I'll let you know how Lauren's feeling later.
Candy, don't play me. Don't play me.
Might just be the wrong bag. So the market was really cool. It was just very windy. So we called it a day. Lauren doesn't seem to be high yet. I'll keep you posted.
Definitely something to check out though. It's very quaint. Like I said, the music playing, the DJ there's got quite a nice vibe. The food stalls are really nice.
Yeah, it's a really nice place to hang out.
It's a really cool thing to come and do.
That's cool. So we are done with that. I have no idea what we're doing next, but we're gonna take you somewhere.